Okay, I'm on the Hitron now. So this Hitron is the one that I just got yesterday, and it's located basically that second window on the top floor, the second window above the garage. That's where the Hitron's located, right against the wall. And let's see what we got here. So yeah, I'm in the 2.4 network right now, and we'll do a speed test. That's actually pretty decent. I'm surprised that it's that good, because that's maybe, what is that, like 70 feet? Yeah, upload not so hot, but the download is strong. Yeah, because sometimes it had difficulty from out back here. So that's not too bad. So let's do a little walking over here to the hot tub. So this is kind of through all the wood of the house. Let's do that again. Now you can see the 5G network. It didn't even pick up from out in the backyard, but the 2.4, which has a better range but slower speeds, is doing just fine. Yeah, so this is with the replacement Hitron I got from Shaw. Yeah, upload speeds are strong. Matt Risinger. Ah, that guy's good. Anyway, so there you have it. Let's see if I can get on the other network. Go for actually I'm walking closer to the house right now. Oh, there it is. There's the 5G network. So you can see right now I'm right behind the house. So if you're sitting on the deck, you can get the 5G. And we'll do the speed test here. It's 54 and 15 on the other network. So yeah, the 5G is faster when it does pick up. But compared to the Hitron I had before, this is night and day. So I had it less than 24 hours, so I hope it holds up. There's no way the old box overheated, just with the placement. Yeah, that's satisfactory. And then what I did, yeah, if you're interested, the old box, I ran dual boxes before, the Hitron, and then I had my third-party Linksys box I was running in the front of the house because it had just terrible range. So I managed to take that out of the house because it connects fine with the new Hitron. And then it's basically hardwired from the front of the house back this way to the middle of the garage there. So that's probably 450 feet of wiring. Then I plugged it into a Linksys dual band. And what do you know, I got 2 IPs at the house, so it works. I have internet all over that back house. The back house is about 115 feet long, about 30 feet wide, so that's working great. I got basically Wi-Fi on almost the whole property. I didn't go to the front of the very front of the lot on the street. I kind of don't think it'll reach that far because it doesn't reach out here. But yeah, that's what we got for internet at the old house and shop now. There you go, there's an update. What's the date today? May 1st, 2018. Thanks for watching.